Hi pals, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. So today I have just a little baby haul for y'all. Not anything too big, but I just wanted to pop on here really fast and show you a couple of pink things that I got while I was in Ross the other day. So like I said, it's not that much stuff, but I just thought I'd show you guys if you were interested. And I did get these things fairly recently. I went yesterday, so like I said, fairly recently, so you should be able to find the things if they're still there. But anyway, like I said, just a couple of pink things, and then I did get one item from H&M, just like a random thing, so I decided just to throw it in here as well. So I'll show that one first. This is just a super cute little pink t-shirt that says Selena Gomez on it, and I really like her. She's one of my favorite artists, so I thought that was super cute. And this top was only $3, so I got it on clearance. I just thought it was so super cute. And on the side of the sleeve, it says SG on just like one of the sleeves. So yeah, like I said, this top was on clearance. It was only like $3, so I decided to pick that up while I was kind of browsing in H&M the other day. So back to Ross. So the first thing that I got, I know a couple of y'all have seen my little coffee bar in one of my other previous blogs, and I need to fill up my little candy jars. I do like to have like little candies in there and cotton candy. I still gotta find a thing of cotton candy, but I found these little containers of lollipops, and I did go ahead and break these open. But this one has like 20 lollipops in them, and this is how this one looks. Hopefully you can see that. It's just like a little just a little swirl lollipop. And then the other one that I got was so cute. They've got little pink bows on them. It's just this one here. I thought that was so adorable. So I thought these would be cute just to kind of throw in my candy jars on my coffee bar. And just if you're interested, they both have like 50 calories in them and 11 grams of sugar. So and both of these were $2.99. So I got 2 of those. And then the other next item that I got, I absolutely love these, y'all. I saw these in the little jewelry cabinet that you have to go and ask somebody to open up. And then these are from Aldo. There's just these super fun, super glam earrings. Aren't those adorable? So I wish they had them in pink or like other colors, but it's fine. You know, I really don't wear black, but black accessories are okay. I can kind of like mix and match them with things. But I thought those were so beautiful. And I paid, these were only $9.99. So like I said, these are, and if y'all aren't familiar with Aldo, it's like an accessories, like they sell like shoes, handbags, and jewelry, and you can usually find them in the mall. So I really like that store. So anyway, I got those, and then the next item, oh my god, I love this. I saw him like, I have to have that. Look at this, y'all. Isn't this so cute? It's just a pink unicorn wallet, And I know this is probably for a little girl, but y'all know me, I don't care. I'm all about pink and unicorns, so, and it's got glitter. So that was an absolute must. This is, I paid $4.99. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, I paid $4.99 for this, and yeah, it's just got little, it's got a handle for the wristlet if you want to carry it that way. I will probably just like throw this in a handbag, and then in the inside it's just got these two compartments here, and then a zipper down the middle. So I got that, and then I finally picked up this Too Faced. I've been seeing this going around on Instagram a lot of the times. This is the Primed and Poreless Skin Smoothing Face Primer. So I got this, and I have opened this, and y'all, I really love it. Like, I love it. I had tried the what is it, the Too Faced, it's primer, but it's in the peach one. I can't remember, the Peach Perfection or Pore Perfection. I can't remember which one it was. That one I didn't too much care for, because on my skin it just left like I don't know, it felt like a ghostly look. Like after I put my foundation on, you could just like, I don't know if I was putting on too much or what, but I just didn't care for it. It smells amazing. Y'all know Too Faced products always smell so good. But yeah, so I was kind of leery to try this one. I didn't know if it would be the same consistency, or if I would have the same issues, but not at all. It goes on very smoothly. I can't see it through my makeup. I completely forgot to put it on this time, or else I would have showed y'all. But yeah, definitely if you haven't tried this one, like I said, it's just and I think this is a new formula. I'm not sure. I know that Too Faced had said they reformulated one of their primers, so I'm not sure if it's this one or another one. But anyway, yeah, I picked this up, and then I paid $12.99 for this, and I think this is a little less expensive than what's on Too Faced website. I can remember correctly. It's a little bit less expensive. So I got that, and then the last thing that I got, I love. So y'all know that fall's coming up, and I absolutely love fall, but I found this and thought it was just the cutest thing. Look at this. Oh, my hair. This is just a fun Juicy Couture fleece blanket. This was $12.99 as well, and it comes with this super fun Juicy Couture hanger. And y'all, I love blankets. Like, that's one thing that I don't think y'all know about me. I get cold so easily. I don't know why. I always have, and I always keep a blanket in my car. I always, like, when we go to the movies, I always have to have my blanket. I don't know if it's just like, you know how like kids have their little blankets, is this like a safety thing? I don't know, but like, I love big pink super cute blankets. So I have a little collection in my room, and Mitchell usually buys me one for like my birthday or the holidays, like Christmas time or whatever. But I thought this was so fun, and it is so soft, y'all. It's so soft. So anyway, yeah, this is the last one that they had. Like I said, I know Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, places like that, you kind of have to get things when you see them, and they may be in another location, they may not, but you can check. Y'all know I live in Georgia, so I don't know if their shipment or their products, you know, kind of vary throughout states or whatever, but anyway, you can try to find it. Like I said, I'm so happy that I found this with fall coming up. It's just something super cozy to kind of get cozied and snuggle in. So anyway, yeah, that is all, y'all. That's all I have for you. I just, like I said, wanted to come here and just show y'all a couple little things that I picked up that you might like. Of course, because this is Ross, I don't have links for things, but like I said, you can kind of just check Ross. Maybe Marshalls too, they may have some of these things, or different things like it. If I can find any similar products, I will try to put links below to similar products if I can find them. But anyway, I love y'all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.